Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest in automotive tech, and everything you need to know about the hottest vehicles on the road. Whether you're a gearhead, a luxury enthusiast, or simply someone looking for your next ride, this is the place where you'll find trusted insights and expert breakdowns. Today, we turn our spotlight to the 2026 Cadillac CT6, a luxury sedan that embodies performance, elegance, and advanced technology in a seamless package. As Cadillac continues its push toward revitalizing its legacy, the 2026 CT6 represents a significant evolution in the brand's pursuit of premium excellence. The 2026 Cadillac CT6 makes a bold return with a design that exudes sophistication and strength. At first glance, the front grille stands out with its imposing presence, refined detailing, and black mesh accents flanked by sharp vertical LED headlights that continue Cadillac's signature lighting theme. The body is sculpted with smooth, sweeping lines that flow effortlessly from front to rear, giving the car an athletic and refined profile. Larger wheels and lower body proportions also add to its executive stance while emphasizing its rear-wheel drive platform. From every angle, the CT6 looks the part of a modern luxury flagship sedan. Underneath its striking exterior, the 2026 CT6 packs an updated powertrain that reflects Cadillac's commitment to performance and refinement. While multiple engine options are expected in different markets, the highlight is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers around 405 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup offers seamless power delivery and impressive acceleration for a sedan of its class. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, while Cadillac's advanced all-wheel drive system is available for improved traction and handling in various road conditions. The performance is poised yet powerful, delivering quick responsiveness and confident overtaking abilities on highways. Cadillac's engineers have also focused on fine-tuning the driving dynamics of the CT6. The magnetic ride control system has been refined for the 2026 model, allowing the suspension to adapt instantly to road conditions and driving style. Combined with active rear-wheel steering and a near 50-50 weight distribution, the CT6 provides a balanced and composed driving experience. Whether navigating tight urban corners or cruising at high speeds, the CT6 maintains a sense of control and composure that rivals some of the best European luxury sedans. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Cadillac CT6 delivers an environment that blends modern luxury with cutting-edge technology. The materials are nothing short of premium, with hand-stitched leather upholstery, real wood or carbon fiber accents, and soft touch surfaces throughout. Attention to detail is evident in every component, from the precision of the stitching to the solid feel of the control knobs. The cabin is designed to be both elegant and intuitive, catering to the driver and passengers with equal importance. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 33-inch curved LED display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sweeping screen. This high-resolution panel is vibrant and customizable, displaying navigation, media, vehicle data, and more with stunning clarity. The user interface is smooth and easy to navigate, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as over-the-air software updates. Cadillac has also integrated its next-generation infotainment system powered by Google built-in, offering voice-activated controls, Google Maps, and access to various apps. Comfort features in the 2026 CT6 are on par with what one would expect from a high-end luxury sedan. Both front and rear seats are heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers are treated to generous legroom and optional executive seating that includes power adjustments, rear infotainment displays, and additional climate control zones. The cabin is also impressively quiet thanks to active noise cancellation and extensive sound insulation, making it ideal for long-distance cruising or urban commuting. The audio experience is enhanced by a premium AKG studio reference sound system with more than 30 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin. This system delivers immersive sound quality whether you're listening to classical music or bass-heavy tracks. Ambient interior lighting adds to the mood, allowing you to personalize the cabin atmosphere with a wide range of colors. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the 2026 Cadillac CT6 is packed with advanced features. It comes standard with a suite of safety technologies, including forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Cadillac's hands-free driving system, known as Super Cruise, is available on higher trims and has been further refined for the 2026 model. It now includes automatic lane change, improved mapping data, and broader highway coverage. Super Cruise uses a combination of lidar map data, cameras, radar sensors, and GPS to allow truly hands-free driving on compatible roads, offering convenience and safety for long-distance travel. The 2026 CT6 also introduces new technologies aimed at enhancing the driver's situational awareness. Features such as a 360-degree camera system, augmented reality navigation, and a head-up display provide key information without distracting from the road. Night vision is also available, helping detect pedestrians or animals in low-visibility situations. All of these features work together to create a driving experience that is not only luxurious but also secure and forward-thinking. Practicality is another area where the CT6 shines. The trunk space is generous, and the rear seats fold down to accommodate longer items when needed. There are multiple storage compartments within the cabin for daily items, and wireless charging pads are available in both the front and rear zones. Cabin ergonomics have been thoughtfully designed, with easily accessible controls and an intuitive layout that minimizes distraction. In terms of competition, the 2026 Cadillac CT6 faces off against some formidable rivals including the BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, and Mercedes-Benz S-Class. While those models bring their own legacy and luxury credentials, the CT6 distinguishes itself with a blend of American design, cutting-edge tech, and a competitive price point. Cadillac's bold styling, high-performance engineering, and emphasis on innovation allow it to carve its own path in the ultra-competitive luxury sedan market.